Here's how you get into our CryptoTicker Discord. First, you choose your package on our premium page. After that, choose a time frame for your subscription. Then you can put a voucher code here if you have one. Now please proceed with the payment via PayPal. Once done, you will receive an email. It basically contains your order data and your ID. Now click on the Discord link and you will be redirected to our Discord. If you don't have an account, create one. It's very easy. But if you already have one, you will be able to directly join our free channels. For getting access to all our channels, please write our chatbot buddy. He will ask for your email address and your order ID for verification purposes. You can check your order ID in the email we've sent you upon registration. Now you're verified and have access to all our channels. Enjoy!